Dear students, today I am going to start next chapter, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. यूरोप में समाजवाद और रूस में क्रांति या रूस की क्रांति. द एज ऑफ सोशल चेंज, ये सामाजिक परिवर्तन का युग था. इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर यू रेड अबाउट द पावरफुल आइडिया ऑफ फ्रीडम and equality that circulated in Europe after the French Revolution. The French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change in the way in which society was structured. As you have read before, the 18th century society was broadly divided into states and orders, and it was the aristocracy and church which controlled economic and social power. Suddenly, after the revolution, it seemed possible to change this. In many parts of the world, including Europe and Asia, new idea about individual rights and who controlled social power began to be discussed. In India, Raja Ram Mohan Rai and Desrosiers talked of the सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन. हमारे भारत में भी राजा राम मोहन राय और देरोजियो ने बातचीत किया और बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बात किया अबाउट फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन एंड मेनी अदर डिबेट्स द आइडियाज ऑफ पोस्ट revolutionary Europe. The development in the colonies in turn reshaped these ideas of social change. Not everyone in Europe, however, wanted a complete transformation of society. यूरोप में प्रत्येक तो नहीं, लेकिन ज़्यादातर लोग ये चाहते थे, एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, एक सामाजिक परिवर्तन चाहते थे. रिस्पॉन्सेज वेरीड फ्रॉम दोज हु एक्सेप्टेड दैट सम चेंज वाज नेसेसरी बट विश्ड फॉर ए ग्रेजुअल शिफ्ट. समाज में लोग एक परिवर्तन चाहते थे और ये बात ज़रूर है कि एकाएक पूरा परिवर्तन नहीं चाहते थे, पर धीरे धीरे एक परिवर्तन की ज़रूरत लोग महसूस करते थे. टू दोज हु वांटेड टू रिस्ट्रक्चर सोसाइटी रेडिकली, और ऐसे कितने लोग थे जो समाज में एक परिवर्तन चाहते थे. सम वेयर कंजर्वेटिव, अदर्स वेयर लिबरल्स और रेडिकल्स. व्हाट डिड दीज टर्म्स रियली मीन इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द टाइम? व्हाट सेपरेटेड दीज स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स and what linked them together? We must remember that these terms do not mean the same thing in all contexts or at all times. We will look briefly at some of the important political traditions of the 19th century and see how they influenced change. Then we will focus on one historical event in which there was an attempt at a radical transformation of society. Through the revolution in Russia, socialism became one of the most significant and powerful idea to shape society in the 28th century. 20वीं सदी में रूस में समाजवाद का रोल बहुत महत्वपूर्ण रहा. लिबरल, रेडिकल्स एंड कंजर्वेटिव, one of the groups which looked to change society were the liberals. समाज में जो एक महत्वपूर्ण ग्रुप था जो सामाजिक परिवर्तन चाहते थे वो लिबरल थे. लिबरल्स वांटेड ए nation which tolerated all religions. We should remember that at this time European states usually discriminated in favor of one religion or another. Britain favored the Church of England, or Austria and Spain favored the Catholic Church. Liberals also opposed the uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers. They wanted to safeguard the rights of individuals against governments. They argued for a representative elected parliamentary government subject to law interpreted by a well-trained judiciary that was independent of rulers and officials. However, they were not democrats. They did not believe in universal adult franchise, that is the right of every citizen to vote. They felt men of property mainly should have the vote. They also did not want the vote for women. वे नहीं चाहते थे कि औरतें महिलाएं वोट करें. In contrast, radicals wanted a nation in which government was based on the majority of a country's population. Many supported women's suffragette movement. Unlike liberals, they opposed the privileges of great landowners and wealthy factory owners. They were not against the existence of private property but disliked concentration of property in the hands of a few. Conservatives were opposed to radicals and liberals after the French Revolution. However, even conservatives had opened their mind to the need for change. Earlier in the 18th century, conservatives had been generally opposed to the idea of change. By the 19th century, they accepted that some change was inevitable, but believed that the past had to be respected and change had to be brought about through a slow process. इनमें से कुछ लोग ये चाहते थे कि परिवर्तन बहुत आवश्यक है, लेकिन भूतकाल की जो कि कुछ नियम हैं उनका भी पालन करना आवश्यक है, और जो परिवर्तन हो वह बहुत धीरे धीरे परिवर्तन किया जाए. Such differing ideas about societal change clashed during the social and political turmoil that followed the French Revolution. The various attempts at revolution and national transformation in the 19th century helped define both the limits and potential of these political tendencies. इस प्रकार से 19th सेंचुरी में बहुत कुछ परिवर्तन समाज में लाया गया. Okay children, I hope you have understood. Thank you.